The product team focuses on designing new offerings to bring to the commercial market.
Consumers can go on our website today and order a test at their own discretion.
The product that I feel has been the most impactful has been the COVID, flu, and RSV PCR home collection kit. It's been really meaningful to be able to work on a product that has the opportunity to help so many patients understand their health status and how they should move forward.
What surprised me the most about the culture here at Labcorp, really how positive and collaborative every team member truly is. We are all understanding that, and we all want to understand each other and our roles and how we contribute to bringing a project or a product forward to market.
When you think about the scientific powerhouse that Labcorp has, there is no shortage of opportunities to improve and commercialize the great products that our organization has developed. To be successful on the product team, you need to be consistently inquisitive, you need to be thinking about the customer and continuing to rely on the great expertise of Labcorp.